What's in the box?
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy. And I got something new today, so let's discover it together what it is. And yes, alright, here we go. This looks already very promising and you can already tell immediately what it is. It's of course the Mazda 787B with the iconic, renowned, colorful livery, the number 55 car, the winners of the 1991 24 Hours of Le Mans. So this is a model by Motorhelix, and it's a diecast car in scale 1/64, as you can see here. And yeah, in the background you can see I have a small 64 collection going on. This will be a nice addition to it. Yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've done another one of these unboxing videos. As you can see, there's well, quite a lot more stuff that I've been buying in the meantime too. I just didn't bother making videos of it. But this one here inspired me to do a video once more. So yeah, let's open up this baby now and see what's inside. So first there are these two sleeves. So let's slide them off and reveal the car. And it's all held in this plastic mold. So let's now take out all of the parts. So here we go then, the car is out of the packaging and yeah, straight away, this looks absolutely stunning. It's quite hard to believe such a small model can be this good, this detailed. It's really incredible. The open engine bay is so impressive, it's so intricately detailed with that famous rotary Wankel engine in it, of course. And even the side exhaust detailing here is really good. The body panels then fit nicely too, both on the front and on the back as well. And the panel gaps are barely visible too. The small wheel covers then you get with the car are also magnetic, and you just get to choose which ones you put on the car, either the white ones or the golden colored ones. So yeah, this little miniature car looks absolutely amazing, and I'll probably do a full review video of it later. I think it really deserves one. So yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.